Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So we are now ready to proceed to our next lesson. Our next lesson is lesson number 146, in which we will continue our development of the sale order form. There are many things being learned through this experience. I hope you all are learning with this technique. Okay, so in this session we are going to further do the enhancement and refinement of the code as we are proceeding. Okay, the first thing we do is the load the file, the previous lesson file, and then we click OK. Oh, I hope you are using this. Okay, until we purchase these things and make it trusted ActiveX control. So it will keep on coming. So don't worry about that. Click OK. Okay, so this will bring you this the login prompt. All you need to do is press login. It will have you logged in with a admin privilege. Is here, this is the maximum roles. The maximum privileges are available on this ID. Okay, so in this session we will see that we have in previous session we went back to the order entry, like the order number 83 is the new order. How come that it comes? Because it self checks that 82 orders have so far been entered, so 83 is coming. Next, you will select the name for the salesperson for whom you are entering the data, right? As soon as you do, this will bring this one. Okay, so you can use any customer in here, for example, right? And now, so far so good. You have completed this thing, but there is an issue. Until here, you need a certain testing before going further. You should test it. So what would happen if you while in the middle of the way you decide to go to the edit mode and change the sale order to 37, right? If you click 37, then it is going to give you this error, right? This is appearing ever since we have changed the code in the customer, right? So we go to the debug, and in the debug, we see that what is going wrong. The thing which is going wrong is that the customer taxes become 0, right? Obviously, when you change the first thing it does, it clears out all the things which are entered. The key field is the customer data. So in case of this, so we copy it, Control C, and we will write a rectification code in here so that this error should not come. So we will say if this is returning use here, so don't go for looking up all this into the you don't need anything. If it is this isn't so so do it when it is not equal to, so otherwise don't do. Okay, so we will say then, and we will close it and we say end if. So this way it will get out of the error, right? Since it is not try, it will means this way you are telling in the computer, do not try to populate anything if the customer is blank. Okay, fair enough. So we run it again. So this is now bringing it. Okay, so 37. Let's see, 36. 36, press enter. That's good. And if you get back to 83, what happens? If you get back to 83, that's it. It is going to take you out from the system, and then you can come back with the 83 in here, and you can now change the salesperson, and you can choose your customer, and it is going to work fairer. And within the entry, during the course of entry, if you decide go to the edit mode, for example, go to the 36, so no error is coming. So I hope you've got the point, and that you have to test it each time you make a new code or new change in the VBA. And the more you test, keep on testing and critically, so it will keep on refining your system. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.